we're at the Avani Sepang Gold Coast Resort. This is actually the first time we are doing this publicly, the collecting PET and also the PET segregation. The participation pun quite ramai, and also the people from Ocean Hero Conservation joining us together.
Let's go!
We are so glad and thankful to have Avani Sepang Gold Coast Resort to come along for these collaborations. You know, especially Mr. Kurt is actually the GM of the resort, and as well Belinda and their team as well. The whole team actually came together as well with our Ocean Hero advocates, and of course Clyda and Hatta team as well. All of us pulled along together, so it was really enjoy, you know.
I'm a big fan of trekking and I'm a big fan of the ocean, but unfortunately right now what I see on my tracks and what I see in the ocean is lots of disposable masks. We really need to be more responsible about how we dispose our masks.
All this like plastic, we can actually recycle it.
Plastik-plastik botol ini dibawa dan dikumpulkan. Pengasingan plastik ini akan dijadikan material untuk RPET, material pakaian pada koleksi KLFW Hatta.
Challenges dia, bawah pokok tu, I don't know lah, maybe because of air pasang surut, so akar banyak kat bawah tu, and sampah, especially plastik, banyak tersangkut kat situ. Kita nak tarik pun susah.
Our production team sangat mengalami cabaran yang paling getih sebab nak record dari segi, sebab kita ada banyak location, so nak record tu sebenarnya memakan masa yang panjang tu satu lagi dengan equipment, peralatan dan sebagainya. So nak dapatkan footage yang bagus, we need to get a good footage sebab at the end of the day orang nak tengok the reality of it.
The message that we want to bring to every of the kids and children in the future generation is that we want to create more awareness and give more educations to the next generations. It's about how the importance to save the oceans.
This location is actually a privilege for us. It's also our home, yeah, and it's also the place where we live.
Penglibatan daripada yang designers ni pun is good lah, because they have seen Hatta punya effort daripada last year, and then they are following Hatta punya footsteps. Now they are learning to be a sustainable fashion designer as macam mana yang Hatta buat. So I think it's a good example for the young designers lah, especially.
We have to work collectively together because this requires a lot of effort and an army to actually make a change for the planet, for the better future.
The mindset is also important to conserve whatever it is that is on the planet right now, because we are currently running out of raw materials.
Kita ada sampah ni dan sampah-sampah lain. Memang kena praktikkan benda ni dan kena didik. Kalau boleh kita didik kanak-kanak dari kecil, mereka akan lebih appreciate the environment, and then mereka akan appreciate ada alam sekitar. Mereka akan hargai dan sayang alam.
My name is Kurt.
Hi, I'm William.
I'm Jerry.
My name is Belinda Xavier.
I'm Danny Wong.
I'm an ocean hero.
We are the Ocean Hero.
I'm an ocean hero.
I'm the Ocean Hero.
SOS! Woo! Save the ocean, save the future, and I'm the Ocean Hero from AFO Radio, Hen Sitan. And let's go save the future! Woo!
Masa mangrove tour adalah satu pengalaman yang sangat best.
Honestly, I don't know there is a mangrove available at Avani Sepang area, which is actually wholly owned by the owner as well, right? At this journey, it was really my first time to visit a mangrove, you know, and this is a mangrove tour that they have actually brought us through.
Kita jumpa for the first time, kita jumpa ketam biru. Ketam berwarna biru, dia macam like magical.
At the same time, we also did do the plants, you know, the planting of the seeds of the mangrove as well. That was really also my first time experience indeed.
Lepas 5 bulan dia akan keluar tunas.
collectively we are taking a small step towards a better future, and this is such a great innovation and such a great step towards our future.
I really hope that the initiative that we are doing today will definitely be the starting up point for the rest of our initiatives. And one thing that we have to remember always, we have to save the ocean.
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 Save the future.
Save the future.
Save the future.
Save the future. Let's save the future.
OHSOM adalah satu kempen yang luar biasa pada Hatta. Tak pernah macam terlibat dalam satu kempen yang panjang, yang very detail. Pada asalnya idea hanyalah untuk collection, a very specific collection saja. Tetapi OHSOM dia berkembang dari masa ke semasa dengan pelbagai apabila kita bentangkan, kita suarakan, kita bagi tahu masyarakat tentang OHSOM, banyak partner yang macam tertarik minat untuk bekerjasama sekali. Hatta harapkan apabila korang dapat tengok koleksi yang dipentaskan di KLFW nanti, korang akan dapat menghayati cerita di sebalik maksud apa yang Hatta cuba sampaikan. Bukan sekadar koleksi yang dipentaskan di fashion show semata-mata, tetapi a story behind that. Ada macam emotion yang Hatta rasa tak sabar untuk kongsikan kepada semua hasil kolaborasi kami.
Kita berharap supaya OHSOM ni tidak terhenti dekat sini, akan disambung lagi dan orang boleh tahu sustainable collection tu sebenarnya apa. Bukan nak buat sustainable collection ni macam ala-ala trend je.
I hope this year most school, tak kisahlah preschool ke sekolah rendah ke sekolah menengah ke, will get more exposure with this kind of sustainability about recycle and everything.
What we hope also to bring through is, of course, our collaboration together with Hatta. It will grow and expand to more, especially not just local in Malaysia. Then, of course, we all will gather our hands, right, to bring it more better and greater forward to international market as well. We hope to also look into new pipelines that definitely we are going to have in our ideas and plan, that we would be bringing it not only focus into the fashion area, probably it will be more into different industry and of course in different areas as well.
We hope that Tourism Malaysia will support us to go to more locations around Malaysia, because we have seen so many places that not only internationally does not recognize or doesn't know, even a lot of places that our local doesn't know. So if you can travel and you can do good, you can educate your children, why not, right? So Hatta has been inspiring the young to choose the right material, okay, that is conserving the earth. Ourselves in Ocean Hero, our mission is to let as many people as possible to understand the importance of conservation.
Dan Hatta harap semua orang di Malaysia akan lebih buka mata dan lebih support untuk memelihara alam sekitar dan sokong usaha kami dan tim kami. If I'm gonna make it, or if I'm gonna blow, but please don't blame yourself for my fate in hell. I wasn't strong to begin with, I hit it out of step. And I don't think I'll come down, 'cause when I'm on solid ground I get myself really down. But if I'm just a guy who is so afraid to fly, then why do I always try to get high in cloudy skies?
pergi.
Aku tak tahu.
Pangko, right?
Kena papiau, kena
Aku cakap ke pasal
Aku cakap kita kan.